Here's the question. What happens if I permanently delete an email in the mobile app on an iPhone or Android? Can I get that message back? So let's take a look and see. Here's a message I got from TL Burris. I'm using the email address for the crash dummy so you can see the crash dummy. If I click on that message and I read it and I hit the delete button, it's now in the trash can. If I go back to the trash can over here, go to trash can, you'll see right now at the top of the screen, there is that message from TL Burris with the crash dummy. Now, if I click on that message and I hit the three dots up top, delete forever, or if I come at the top of the trash can, say empty trash now, it would be gone forever. But the fact that I haven't gotten it out of the trash, I can click on it right now, click on three dots at the top, and I can say move it and move it back to my primary inbox. And now I can go back to the inbox, primary, and there's that message right there. I've recovered it from the trash can. But like I said, if I delete the message, delete it, and then I go to the trash can, trash, and then if I empty the trash now, or I click on that message, hit the three dots and delete forever, it is no longer in trash. It is not in my primary inboxes. It is gone forever, never to be retrieved. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you. Now I'm going to show you the same process through Google Chrome using the Gmail app on a desktop, whether it be a Mac or a PC. There's a message right there. If I delete the message, just got to find the delete icon right there, delete. Now if I go into more and I go down to trash, you'll see there's that message right there, what happens on desktop. Now if I click on the message and I move right here, move to, and I put it back into my primary, where's inbox. Now if I go back to my inbox, there's that message back in inbox. But again, if I click on the message and I delete it and I go look in my trash, there's a message right there. If I click on the message and hit delete forever, or if I hit empty the trash now, I'm going to use delete forever. It is gone, deleted, right there, deleted forever, never to be retrieved. This is relevant to Gmail and Google Workspace. The only variables of Google Workspace is if the domain has some type of email retention system in place, you may be able to get it through the retention system, but not through Gmail. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.